Hello, my name is Edwin Perez. I'm going to 33. I am from Pasto. Um, Begins in is their films in their adventure of the 30 Purge is a narration of his life in Ice Earth Sport. Among these problems is their big novel out. Something at the what's door. Chase and be unique dog of its kind and be like racing. Count your the television her when his staring apart from his family is her and is very happy he is not aware her about and after then brother are kids a guy be be on the record directly high um, I started representing the world. Is this problem number the of quite either of marking in our water of the curved sky. Again, pass on the ringing tour in their praise of their fifth. Tiger Dalmatans. What is your dream about their movies? Um, their friend read their this fear the delivery of life your heavy do games it going down more than no work mind thanks you have thank the God to continue building of the future. What then the films make your fate and the film made fair very good and the saints the tougher matter made about the wins that were experiencing Judah and each arson made digger was looking I am to have a home and the green family is was looking after me. What those the movie um, um, uh, movie really other academic program you are studying the free is reality the academic program which each I am a student is in their importance and of the family, the clues and their the proof of the right is it's of with importance of the family of the incomplete their different simulations what's the area consider um, developing. Uh, Another writing from my the movie Corvette underwater in film curves keep its completing their performance of more your water can enter more they with dear parents in irrigations the highwards of the girls trainer of animals and not they is occurring. Um, excuse me, bye bye.